Good morning, children. Today's our topic is IPO cycle. I stands for input, P process, O output. That is input, process, output cycle. What is input? The data and command are given to the computer using keyboard or mouse. Process. Working on data is called process. Working on data is called process. Then what is output? The result given by computer is output. So this is IPO cycle. Input, process, output cycle. The data and command given to the computer using keyboard or mouse is input. Working on this data is called processing and the result given by the computer is output. So the full form of IPO is input, process, output cycle. We can see many such examples of IPO cycle in our daily life. First one, how to make impure water to pure water. Here input is impure water. Process, water purifier purifies the water. Output is pure water. Then second one, how to toast the bread. Here input is bread. Then process, toast the bread. Output is toast. Next is how to make cloth. Here input is cotton. Then process, cotton mill produce cloth. Output is cloth. Can you give any other example of IPO cycle you have seen in your home, school or anywhere else? Yeah, first one, how to make toys with clay. Here input is clay. Process, child playing with clay. Output, toy is made with clay. Another one is how to make mango shake. Here inputs are mango pulp, sugar and milk. Process, blend in the mixer grinder. Output, mango shake. Another one common example is first input is blunt pencil. Then process is sharpening. Output is sharp pencil. Another one. Here input is dirty cloth. Process washing. Then output is clean cloth. Now let us see how the IPO cycle works in computer. The process of computer tasks can be divided into three stages: input, process, output. Here input is keyboard. Using keyboard we are giving data and instructions into the computer. Process is going on in CPU. As per the instruction we given, process is going in the CPU because CPU is known as brain of the computer. Then it will display the output on the monitor. So here output get from monitor. So here input is keyboard, process is going on the CPU and we get output from the monitor. So the data and commands are given to the computer through keyboard or mouse is input. The central processing unit CPU, which is the brain of the computer, process the input and calculate the result. This is called processing. And the result is given by the computer through monitor or printer. This is called output. So children, here are some examples for input devices. What are input devices? The devices which are used to give input to computer are called input devices. What are input devices? The devices which are used to give input to computer are called input devices. Here are some examples of input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, web camera, microphone. Then what are output devices? The devices which are used to get output from the computer are called output devices. The devices which are used to get output from the computer are called output devices. Here are some examples of output devices: monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, projector. Okay, children, let us recap. The first one is IPO cycle. The working of computer is based on the principle of IPO cycle. IPO stands for input, process, output. Then what is input? The data and commands given to the computer is input. What is output? The result given by the computer is output. Next, we learned about CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is known as brain of the computer. So, CPU processes the input and calculates the result. Then next, what are input devices? The devices which are used to give input to the computer are called input devices. What are output devices? The devices which are used to get output from the computer are called output devices.